What is going on, man? It's your boy, the real J3RT, and I'm back with another video, man. This is the following day since I have put on the wicker bill, and we got a couple more things that we about to get ready to add to the car. So I need y'all to stay tuned, man, because by the time I'm done, this charger is going to be semi-complete, and we getting ready and prepared for that wrap that we're going to end up doing. I don't know if it's going to be in October, but I got to figure out exactly what color I want to put on the car. So we're going to end up getting that together, man. Let me show you all the stuff I got. So y'all probably looking at this like J3, why are you showing me these boxes? Like, what in the world could be in these boxes, right? So I got a couple things, man. Like I said, that's gonna make the car look nice, and we're gonna try to put everything on today, and that is why I got up early, man. So we got these little back diffuser thingy things right here. Hold on, let me show y'all. Make sure I don't show my Addy. Look at that. Yeah, it's nice little ABS plastics, the little cheap joints. I'm about to end up installing them, man. I got this is how it's gonna look on the car. So this gonna go crazy on the car. Pretty sure y'all get an idea of what this is. If you look at this car right here, something I was a little disappointed in when I bought it, but I was happy to have. This bumper lip, man, it broke off. It snapped. And the side of it, I had to get some JB wheel, but on one of these sides it's cracked, man. So we got that. We got a nice front bumper lip we're gonna install today. And we also got what this is right here, a side skirt. Trying not to scratch it. Damn, just scratched it. But yeah, got a little side skirt action going on, man. So we finna get this stuff installed today. I might hit it with the snap of the wrist, man. You know what I'm saying? I might show the process. Well, we ain't gonna go into an in-depth tutorial. I'm gonna just show myself putting it on. Y'all just enjoy the video, man. I love and appreciate y'all for watching. We about to go crazy today, man. All right, so we got a bit of everything you might need. Got a rivet gun, drill bits, so tape, weatherproofing, dual-sided, and we got rivets. Rivets is for more permanent. Self-tapping is so you can take it on and off as you please. Gonna use everything at our disposal, even the stuff that came with it I might end up using. We just gotta figure out how we gonna put this up here. The first step is probably getting the car jacked up. We gonna see. I'm gonna put on the rears first. That's what I'm thinking, or maybe the front. I'll figure it out along as I go. But yeah, this is everything you need right here. This mounting tape right here is gonna help out. It's gonna keep it up, and this masking tape is also gonna help keep it up temporarily. So y'all just keep that in mind, man. All right, I finally got one of them on right here, just in case y'all ask how many self-tapping screws you use. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is what it's gonna look like, pretty much. Alright, y'all, if I didn't say it already, we are on to the next part. Look at this right here. Now look at this right here. It's about time. So the first thing that we're gonna do, me specifically, get your 3 pieces together. It came with some screws. Cool, we got that. That's gonna be in order. That should be pretty simple and straightforward. Then you want to go and look at it, and you're gonna see a couple of holes. What I'm gonna do is pre-drill the holes so that it'll be easier trying to put it up and line it up. Also, you want to get this tape here and put it right along the edge, maybe in this corner here. Put it in places where it's going to fit on the body, just so it can have an extra hole. I got a nice strong tape. This is about 1 inch thick. It should work and help out for you. You can get something a little bit thinner if you think that's too wide. But what you're gonna do is take pieces of it. So it's not a whole strip. Take pieces and just put it in certain places where you might feel like it's not gonna stick to the bumper. So just do a quick little mock-up. So I'm gonna get started, and yeah, I'm gonna show you all the process. So it's the same, but it is a little bit different. I think this one might be just a little bit thinner. We're gonna get our tape just so we can hold it up. So we got our double-sided mounting tape. Put a couple strips on it, like I said, just in certain places, certain spots. Alright, cool. So one side is the sticky side. You just stick it right on, and then it looks like it's a little film on here. Let me get some scissors. Alright, y'all, my iPhone decided they wanted to run hot and stop, but if you can see here, try to focus it. If you can see here, I got the tape running along the line of the body. Then I ended up, you know what I'm saying? Just kind of take a little notes on where I got it. I'm gonna end up running it the same way along the whole side. Unfortunately, I can't record everything because the way iPhones work, they like to get hot. So I'm gonna try to record the best I can, but pretty much get it like this, and then it's gonna help you mock it up onto the bumper. I'm gonna end up getting something better along the line. Right now we doing cheat mods, you know what I'm saying? So it's all in preparation for the wrap. Like once we get to this, we get to the side panel, y'all gonna see. I kind of, it's not glossy, and that's on my fault. You know what I'm saying? I meant to have bought one that was glossy, but it was too late to return it. So we're gonna work the best with what we have. I'm just showing y'all that y'all can do it yourself, man. Looking at it, if I was to nitpick one thing, it'd be this little gap right here. I don't know if that was me or it's because the way it was made, but this little gap is something I'm nitpicking right now, so I'm gonna try to fix it. So you take your time. I said this to hold it in place, and it's also to help keep it in place when we put the screws in. But it's pretty much up there. Got this little gap. It's like a little mini baby gap, but it's gonna close. Fine with that, because it goes around and it actually wraps around this how it's supposed to. Once I end up putting the screws in the right spots, you won't even know. So what I'm gonna end up doing is getting under the car. I'm gonna secure this down, and we're gonna have a good little thing going on, man. You wanna get the appropriate drill, I might just use this 1/8 again just to have a starter hole, or just end up drilling straight into it. It's your preference, man. Make sure we don't drill into nothing. Man, y'all tell me what y'all think, man. J Gang, I don't know. Just look a little. It's hit a little different, man. Y'all seen how many self-trapper screws I done put under here? We're gonna have a semi-complete car, man. Alright, y'all. So I couldn't record this, but it's gonna be just the same. We got our sticky tape, put it on the sides, all along where it's gonna be. And I know it's gonna be like this. Have it tacked up. Then we go get our self-tapper screws, or get us a nice little drill it in there. We're gonna be straight, man. The self-tapper screws is gonna help you out tremendously during this little job. So yeah, we gonna I'm gonna get back to y'all when we're close to being done. Look at that. Tell me this don't look good. Y'all sit and tell me this don't look good, man. Come on now. Man, we gonna get both these sides on, man. And I just can't wait.